Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, 10/7/2020, period first. Your next exercise is exercise 4.4, one of the shortest chapter. You are doing it right now. Board has made this chapter very short. The next topic is nature of roots. From this topic, every year one question comes. Every year, I have seen the papers. I've seen that from this topic every year the question has came already. So you should go through with this topic very carefully. See, there is a word D, discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now we have three types of nature of roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we have two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the nature of roots will be two equivalent real roots. If b square minus 4ac is smaller than 0, then no real roots. That means trick. Now take the trick. B square minus 4ac, if its answer is positive, then two distinct and real roots. If answer is 0, two equal real roots. If answer is negative, no real roots. Rather than learning this sign, just learn it positive, 0, negative. Positive, you will have two distinct roots. 0, you will have equal roots. And negative, you have no real roots. Now see the first question. Find the nature of the roots if exist. Now you can easily do it. 2x square minus 3x plus 5, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 5. Find b square minus 4ac, answer is minus 31. As b square minus 4ac is negative, then there will be no real roots. Try to understand the topic. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 5. I have found b square minus 4ac, yes or no? I've got the value minus 31. That means answer is negative. Discriminant is minus. We have no real roots. The nature will be no real roots. Now again, the next part, 3x square minus 4 under root 3x plus 4. Again, ABC I have found. I found b square minus 4ac. Answer is 0, 2 equal and real roots. In case of 0, 2 equal and real roots. So I have applied the formula. They have told us if the root exists, you have to find the roots also. So minus b plus minus under root d. Earlier I was putting b square minus 4ac, but I have put it d because d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So the value of d is 0, under root 0 is 0, minus minus will become plus, minus minus, yes or no? So you cut it 2 by 3, under root 3. I can write 3 as under root 3 into under root 3. Cancelled out, the roots are this. Although it needs to be every time, we used to say that we should not leave the denominator under root in the denominator, but the answer is given, so we have to prove like this only. Okay, you can leave the answer here also, no issues in that. Question number 2 says find the value of k if they have the real roots. They have the real roots. The condition is given to us. They have the real roots, yes or no? The first is 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. ABC I have found. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. I have put the b square as k square minus 4 into 2 into 3. I have got the value k square minus 24 is equal to 0. K square is equal to 24. This under root will go on it. So it will become plus minus 24 or plus minus 2 under root 6. The next part again, kx bracket x minus 2 plus 6. First of all, solve this bracket. Multiply kx by x, kx square, kx by 2 minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Now a is k, b is minus 2k, c is 0. Sorry, c is 6. B square minus 4ac, apply the formula. I have got 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. I brought this minus 24k to this side. This will become 4k square is equal to 24k. K from k is cancelled out. 4, 6 are 24. K is equal to 6. Now do this exercise because word problems are not there. We are not doing the word problems. Do this exercise in your fair notebook. Everyone will be starting with a new chapter from Monday. On Saturday will be our activity day. God bless you all of you.